Excellence in Mathematics and English, Character Award deserving. M. Academic Distinction with Honors, Academic Excellence in Ating Panuntunan and Science, Character Award, bodybuilding. Jericho L. Academic Distinction with...
Congratulations, grade 2 learners. We celebrate your hard work. Moving on, let us welcome the grade 3 learners together with their class advisor, Teacher Ira Joy Apolonio.
Grade 3 Love. Boys.